In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to buy gold on interactive brokers. We'll walk through this process using Trader Workstation, often called TWS, which is the desktop platform from interactive brokers. The goal here is to buy a gold-backed exchange-traded fund, giving you exposure to gold prices without having to deal with futures or physical bullion. Start by opening Trader Workstation. Once the platform loads, look for your watch list panel. In that list, click on an empty row to begin adding a new symbol. This is where you'll tell TWS which gold ETF you want to trade. Two widely used choices are SPDR Gold Shares, which trades under the ticker GLD, and iShares Gold Trust, which trades under IAU. Type the ticker exactly as it appears, and TWS will bring up a selection window. When that selection window appears, choose Stock. Even though these are ETFs, in TWS they're categorized under the stock product type. Next, select Smart as the routing option. Smart routing automatically seeks the best available price across connected exchanges, which helps with efficient execution. You'll now see the ETF added to your watch list with real-time pricing. To start a buy order, click the Ask Price. The ask is the lowest price sellers are currently willing to accept, and clicking it tells TWS you want to buy rather than sell. This will open an order line for that symbol. In the order line, enter the number of shares you want. Then choose your order type, market or limit. A market order aims to fill immediately at the best available price, which is fast but can vary slightly from what you see on screen. A limit order lets you set the maximum price you're willing to pay, which gives you price control, though it may not fill if the market doesn't reach your limit. If you're new to this, consider starting with a small share quantity while you get comfortable with how orders behave. Also, double-check you're placing the order in the correct account if you manage more than one. Once your quantity and order type look right, click Transmit. That sends the order to the market. Market orders often fill almost instantly during regular trading hours, while limit orders will wait for your price. You can watch the status update in the platform's order panel. And that's it. Open TWS, add a gold ETF to your watch list, select stock with smart routing, click the Ask, set your shares and order type, and transmit. This is a straightforward way to gain gold exposure using ETFs within interactive brokers. As always, be mindful of commissions, spreads, and your overall risk tolerance before placing any trade.